back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you the way how to reduce your acne, and then this is also my starter pack when I have my acne skin. So yeah, let's start. But before we continue this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the notification, and then also like, share, comment this video, and I hope you like this video and enjoy. So this is a skincare from Emina. Yes, this is for acne solution, especially for acne skin, and I love to use this when I have acne too in my face, kind of like this. Now I want to tell you the first step that you must do to reduce your acne skin. This series can remove your dirt skin and then reduce your excess oil, and also you can leave your skin feeling clean and fresh without make it dry. And all that you have to do, just apply this face wash to your face and then rinse thoroughly. Don't forget to clean it after that, and you can use it twice in a day. And then we're gonna go to the second step. And I don't know why I love this packaging so much, because this is so cute. And this is the simple one, I think, because you just need to open this and just tap to your face and then tap to your neck, and all that you should do is wait and let it dry. And I want to tell you the benefit from this face toner. You can have a fresh skin, you can reduce your oil look with this face toner, and this face toner also suitable for normal to oily and then acne prone skin. This is the perfect one. I love this face toner a lot. And then yeah, we're gonna go to the third step and also the last step. Don't be afraid, because your acne 911 is here. Yeah, this is spot gel from Emina Pimple, and I love this so much because I already tried this, and yeah, I already know the results. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is the amazing, so simple. You just need to open this, and then yeah, you're gonna apply to your acne. For example, like my acne, and then I just need to apply on this acne and on this too, okay, and here. And you don't need to clean it. You just, yeah, you can leave it and do your activity, anything, and then the acne in the 1 or 2 or maybe 3 days later, it will be gone. So that is the simple steps for reduce your acne skin. And yeah, don't forget to have this as soon as possible. And I already know the results. I already tried this skincare, and then now is your turn. Thank you for watching this video, and then don't forget again to subscribe and click the notification. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video, and I'm so sorry if I make a lot of mistake in this video, but yeah, don't forget to have this as soon as possible.